Hello friends, today I am going to teach you cutting and stitching of Angarakha. The measurement is like this. Length is 38 inch, shoulder to shoulder width is 11.5 inch, shoulder length 6.75 inch, chest 33 inch, waist length 13 inch, waist 27 inch, hip length 21 inch, hips 34 inch, bottom width 18 inch, front neck length is 6 inch, back neck length is 4 inch, neck width is 6 inch, sleeve length 5 inch, half sleeve round 5 inch. For this measurement, we require near about 2.5 meter of fabric, and now we put it in 4 layers, which is equal to half of bottom width plus 1.5 inch, that is 18 divided by 2 plus 1.5 inch makes 10.5 inch. After folding into 4 layers, I will proceed further. Now, first of all, take length measurements. Length of Angarakha is 38 inch. Fabric is 2 inch extra, so that's sufficient. Now, from the top, mark all the lengths of Angarakha. Shoulder length is 6.75 inch. Waist length is 13, so we take 13.5 inch for our sewing seam at the shoulder. Hip length is 21 inch, so we take 21.5 inch for the same purpose. After that, come at top and from close side take half of shoulder to shoulder width plus half inch, that is 11.5 divided by 2 plus 0.5 makes it 6.25 inch. Mark seam 6.25 inch mark at the shoulder length from close side. Now join both marks and take 0.5 inch less at shoulder length and join it to the upper 6.25 inch mark. Now at shoulder length take 1/4 of chest plus 2 inch widthwise, that is 33 divided by 4 makes it 8.25 plus 2 makes it 10.25. Mark it at 8.25 and 10.25 inch. The drafting is just like simple kurti, only the front piece of Angarakha is cut separately. Now at waist length take 1/4 of waist plus 2 inch, that is 27 divided by 4 makes it 6.75 inch and plus 2 makes it 8.75 inch. Mark at 6.75 and 8.75 inch. Now join waist marks to the chest mark in slant manner. Now come at hip length, take 1/4 of hip plus 1.5 inch, that is 34 divided by 4 makes it 8.5 plus 1.5 makes it 10 inch. Mark at 8.5 and 10 inch. And do hip curving joining waist length mark and hip length mark. And extend the outer line in a slant manner like this. Now do front and back sleeve curving like this. Now from the close side mark half of neck width and mark a slant line of 0.5 inch, that is 6 divided by 2 makes it 3, and make a slant line till shoulder length line. Now cut the outer line mark and separate back piece, because in the back piece we only have to do the back neck cutting. Now fold the front piece again and mark half of the neck width, make a box and drop V-shaped neck and cut it. Half neck width is 3 inch. Take a bit less than 3 inch because we insert bias tape or lace in neck portion. And front neck length is 6 inch. Mark it and make a box. Leave a bit at top and draw V-shaped neck. Cut it. Now this is right side of front piece, and from right hand side mark your desired slant line from neck portion and then cut straight till bottom of the fabric. It is up to you to take how much slant as per your comfort. We take near about 4 inch in slant. Now cut the slant line till the bottom of the fabric, and the left hand side panel we put it on another cloth and cut 1 inch extra alongside the middle boundary. After cutting, fold the right hand side panel and insert lace, and left hand side panel we put on another cloth as it is not fit with the front piece. Mark 1 inch extra line from the neck bottom till Angrakha's bottom parallel to it. And on neck portion mark alongside it and also on the other side of the left panel. Only at joining side we take 1 inch extra. After drawing the line, I will proceed further. Cut 1 inch extra alongside the middle boundary after placing it on the other cloth. Now separate the piece and cut the chalk mark. This is our ready left hand side piece, and now place right hand piece on it and cut the front sleeve curve. This leftover piece of first cutting we can use it at some other places. Now we prepare front piece first. For this, fold half inch right side of the right hand piece like this and do either temporary or permanent sewing till bottom. After folding the right hand side piece, now fold the left hand side neck piece till the neck bottom, here till this corner. We don't fold this till bottom. After folding, now sew this lace on the left hand side neckline like this. After that, do simple stitching on the other side of the lace too. After doing this, I'll proceed further. Now we cut this left panel 1 inch more so that make a straight line till bottom to neck and place right hand side panel 1 inch above it. And now do temporary stitching on it. Our marked line must be visible while stitching till the neck. And after that we will stitch lace on it. You can start either from the bottom or from the top. When at neck bottom, turn and sew towards the right neck portion. At the turning point, there will be a little bulge, so press it and do stitching. Now do simple stitching on other side of the lace, and at bulge press it and do sewing. After this stitching, then join shoulder and sew sleeves first. After that I'll proceed further. Mark armhole round, that is 5 inch on the sleeves, and join it with the fitting line. Darken it to transfer it to the other side also, and after that do fitting stitching on the both side. After doing this, I'll proceed further. After folding bottom and slits, do hemming on it, and this is our ready simple angrakha. Angrakha is made up of many designs. Other fancy angrakhas I will teach you in my further videos. After completing this, I'll upload an image of it. In next video, I will teach you a new cutting or a new stitching in a simple way. Thank you.